Hello and welcome to the March 2026 edition of Daily AI Brief, where we break down the latest developments in AI technology. Today, we've got a lineup featuring Google's innovative tools, AI-driven security platforms, and advancements in AI agents. Stay tuned as we uncover what's shaping the AI landscape this month. In the rapidly evolving landscape of AI tools, Google has made a significant contribution with the launch of its new Command Line Interface tool, GWS, designed to streamline interactions with Google Workspace services. Let's explore what this tool brings to the table. Google introduced GWS to facilitate seamless integration with its Workspace APIs, covering popular services like Drive, Gmail, Calendar, Sheets, and Docs. This open-source CLI tool dynamically generates commands, keeping up with the latest changes from Google's Discovery service. Developers gain a unified platform to enhance automation in their workflows, with outputs structured in JSON, which is ideal for integration with other systems. #core features and technical insights. Dynamic command generation. GS employs Google's Discovery service to automatically update commands, ensuring real-time API compatibility. This innovation allows developers to leverage the most recent API features without manual updates. Open source and customizable. Hosted on GitHub, GWS offers developers the flexibility to modify, extend, and contribute to its capabilities. This community-driven model facilitates tailored solutions for specific organizational needs. Comprehensive service integration. Covering over 100 built-in agent skills, GWS is crafted to work seamlessly with AI agents such as Claude Desktop and Gemini CLI. This capability expands the toolkit for developers looking to harness AI for broader applications. By incorporating MCP, WS enhances AI agent interoperability across platforms, ensuring cohesive interaction between different AI systems. Practical considerations and trade-offs. Despite its potential, GWS comes with certain trade-offs. The lack of official Google support raises concerns about long-term viability and reliability. Furthermore, reliance on Google's Discovery service means updates are frequent, which might introduce latency if not managed properly. Handling sensitive data through command line operations also necessitates robust security protocols to protect against unauthorized access. Implementation steps. For developers keen to explore GWS, begin by cloning the GitHub repository. Engage with the tool by executing specific service commands, like GWS drive list or GWS Gmail read, to understand its interactions with Google Workspace. The official documentation provides various examples and guides on integrating these commands into existing workflows, offering a foundation for building efficient automation paths. Conclusion is a promising tool for developers eager to streamline repetitive tasks and implement smoother workflows within their projects. It opens new avenues for integrating AI agents seamlessly into everyday operations, potentially revolutionizing how enterprises manage digital environments. As AI continues to grow in relevance, tools like GS could drive significant advancements in workplace productivity and innovation. Liquid AI's latest release, the LFM224B A2B model, along with the LocalCowork agent, marks a significant step in the realm of privacy-focused AI applications. These offerings target enterprises looking to secure data without the need for cloud services, aligning perfectly with a growing demand for privacy-preserving AI solutions. Understanding the LFM224B A2B model. The LFM224B A2B operates using sparse mixture of experts. Architecture. This approach intelligently partitions the model's 24 billion parameters, activating only 2.3 billion per token, thereby optimizing processing efficiency and significantly reducing computational overhead. This method is particularly beneficial for executing tasks without cloud-based resources, ensuring enterprises can safely run operations in-house. Key features and architecture. Hybrid model architecture. By combining convolutional layers, traditionally used for spatial data processing, with attention layers, the model offers enhanced adaptability and performance across various tasks. This synergy supports robust processing capabilities, making it versatile for both simple and complex operations. The LocalCowork desktop agent enables full offline functionality, which is a crucial feature for organizations prioritizing data privacy. Being able to conduct operations like security scans and document processing offline means that sensitive data stays protected within the local infrastructure. Integration via Model Context Protocol. MCP is essential for seamless task execution, allowing LocalCowork to communicate efficiently with other AI tools and functionalities. This protocol not only improves integration, but also enhances execution speed and reliability. Adaptation to consumer hardware. The model's capability to run on consumer devices is remarkable. Testing on an Apple M4 Max with 36GB unified memory demonstrated its feasibility for widespread deployment, posing significant cost savings by utilizing existing hardware. Performance and efficiency. The model boasts 80% accuracy in single-step tasks, a substantial benchmark reflecting its utility in straightforward applications. However, the 26% success rate in multi-step tasks indicates performance challenges when handling more complex sequences, pointing towards potential areas for enhancement. Despite this, the local processing advantageously cuts latency to under 400 milliseconds, offering near real-time execution, an important feature for time-critical operations. Practical implementation enterprises interested in leveraging this technology can access LocalCowork via its open-source repository. It provides an excellent testing ground for organizations aiming to enhance privacy measures. Running security and document processing tasks locally not only improves data security, but also allows companies to tailor functionalities to their specific needs without external dependencies. Broader implications and future directions. This release reflects a broader industry transition towards decentralized AI workflows, with implications for industries under strict regulatory compliance. Liquid AI's approach potentially reshapes market dynamics by fostering new development in local AI tools that break free from cloud subscriptions. Keeping up with these advancements opens exciting possibilities as local processing grows in capability and adoption. As models like LFM224B A2B evolve, we can anticipate improvements in both accuracy and applicability, potentially addressing current limitations and expanding AI's role in privacy-centric applications. Employing such technologies positions enterprises advantageously, aligning their operations with modern standards of data protection and operational efficiency. Google's latest open-source AI tool, SpeciesNet, is poised to revolutionize wildlife conservation efforts by offering an advanced solution for species identification. Trained on a colossal dataset of over 65 million images sourced from prestigious institutions like the Smithsonian and the Wildlife Conservation Society, SpeciesNet can identify nearly 2,500 wildlife species, significantly enhancing biodiversity research and conservation. SpeciesNet employs convolutional neural networks, CNNs, a sophisticated machine learning approach adept at processing and classifying images to automate the identification of wildlife captured in camera trap images. This process, which traditionally required weeks of meticulous manual labor by researchers, can now be completed in mere seconds, boasting over 2,000 classification categories that include both animal and non-animal objects. This high level of classification granularity helps in creating a more comprehensive understanding of wildlife habitats and behaviors. A deeper technical dive reveals several key aspects. Data-rich foundation. The massive dataset of 65 million images ensures a wide diversity of training examples, enhancing accuracy and the ability to recognize an extensive range of species across varied ecological contexts. CNN-powered classification. By leveraging CNNs, SpeciesNet processes and interprets complex visual data efficiently. This technology is optimized for both speed and accuracy, crucial for handling large volumes of image data quickly while maintaining a high level of detail in species identification. Integration capabilities. Designed with flexibility in mind, SpeciesNet supports Python-based integration and offers robust API interfaces, allowing seamless integration with existing wildlife monitoring systems. This makes it easier for organizations to adopt and customize the tool according to their specific research needs. Open source collaboration. Licensed under Apache 2.0 and available on GitHub, SpeciesNet encourages collaborative improvements and adaptations. This open-source nature facilitates regular updates and community engagement, fostering innovation and responsiveness to emerging conservation challenges. While SpeciesNet offers unprecedented speed and efficiency, users should be aware of potential limitations, such as varying accuracy across different environmental settings and potential biases ingrained in the training data. This necessitates ongoing validation by users to ensure reliable results. For those interested in exploring SpeciesNet, the tool is accessible via its GitHub repository, where developers can delve into the codebase, review implementation guidelines, and test the model using sample camera trap images provided in the documentation. In conclusion, SpeciesNet holds significant promise for conservationists and ecological researchers. By automating the labor-intensive task of wildlife identification, it allows experts to focus more on strategic conservation planning and response strategies, ultimately contributing to more effective wildlife preservation efforts worldwide. Microsoft's latest release of Visual Studio Code, version 1.110, marks a significant evolution in enhancing developer productivity through the introduction of innovative agent plugins. These tools are pivotal in optimizing session management by integrating seamlessly with browser functionalities directly within the editor, thus streamlining daily coding practices. Here's a deeper dive into the transformative features introduced. Agent plugins. These are prepackaged bundles available through the VS Code Marketplace. They incorporate unique customizations, tools, and skills that allow developers to extend the capabilities of their environment. By installing these plugins through the Extensions view, developers can tailor their coding experience, allowing for a more effective multitasking environment. Agentic browser tools. Labeled as experimental, these tools allow for direct manipulation of web pages. Developers can interact with the Document Object Model, DOM, take screenshots, and manage console logs, all within VS Code. Such capabilities enable developers to test and debug web applications more efficiently, without the need to toggle between multiple windows and tools. Persistent session memory. This feature allows session context to be maintained over time, which is crucial for complex software projects. The Plan Agent leverages this feature to handle intricate task management, ensuring continuity across different session intervals. This is especially beneficial for long-running applications where context retention is vital. Real-time Agent Debug Panel. Providing real-time insights into agent events, this panel is a game-changer for debugging. Developers gain visibility into the interactions and operations of agents, enhancing their ability to pinpoint issues and optimize workflow. By utilizing this tool, troubleshooting becomes more intuitive and less time-consuming. Navigating trade-offs and limitations. While these features are groundbreaking, there are considerations to keep in mind. The experimental nature of the agentic browser tools suggests that developers might experience instability or compatibility issues with existing extensions. There may also be performance impacts, particularly on lower-spec hardware when running resource-intensive projects. Additionally, adapting to the new functionalities presents a learning curve, something developers should be prepared to navigate. Practical steps for developers. Explore the new extensions. Dive into the VS Code Extensions view to discover agent plugins that could enhance your productivity. Engage with the Agent Debug Panel. Test your projects with this tool to gain better visibility into agent operations. Leverage persistent session memory. Implement this feature in long-term projects to maintain context and manage complex tasks efficiently. Our future implications. With these advancements, Microsoft is setting a new standard for integrated development environments, promoting a shift towards more responsive and intelligent coding experiences. As these tools become more stable and widely adopted, they hold the potential to redefine how developers approach coding workflows, ultimately pushing the envelope of modern software development. HiveWatch is at the cutting edge of security innovation, introducing an AI-driven platform that promises to transform how physical security is managed. The pivotal role of Anthropic's Claude AI in this venture enables HiveWatch to contextualize and filter security alerts, thereby reducing false positives and enhancing real-time response capabilities. This leap is aligned with the industry's shift towards incorporating AI to improve efficiency and proactive threat management. The AI operator is a core component of this platform, designed to filter and contextualize alerts effectively. By employing advanced machine learning algorithms, the AI operator can distinguish between genuine threats and false alarms, which historically plagued traditional security systems. This capability not only saves time, but also allows security personnel to prioritize strategic initiatives rather than manual surveillance. HiveWatch's platform is engineered to seamlessly integrate with existing security infrastructure. This compatibility means there's no need for businesses to overhaul their current systems, but rather enhance them with AI-driven intelligence. The program-level intelligence focus automates many operational tasks, offering a unified approach by merging traditional and advanced technologies, ultimately boosting the efficiency of any security operations center SOC. A recent Series B funding round saw HiveWatch secure $33 million, contributing to over $65 million in total financing. This influx of capital is set to facilitate their expansion and technological advancements, though specific data on the effectiveness, such as exact false alarm reduction rates or time savings, remain undisclosed. However, the strategic implementation of AI signifies a forward-thinking approach that many businesses are beginning to embrace. Despite the technological promise, certain trade-offs and potential constraints remain. The efficacy of AI in diverse, real-world scenarios must be thoroughly validated, and over-reliance on automation could lead to complacency among security personnel. Furthermore, the rise of AI in security raises concerns regarding privacy and the ethical use of surveillance technologies, necessitating regulatory oversight. For those interested in exploring more about HiveWatch's innovative solutions, visiting their official website is a recommended step. Additionally, checking out the detailed AI operator announcements can provide deeper insights into their cutting-edge offerings and integration strategies. Ultimately, HiveWatch's platform could set new industry benchmarks in security operations by enhancing decision-making and paving the way for broader AI adoption. Success in this domain could significantly reduce on-site manpower requirements and operational costs, encouraging more startups to innovate in this rapidly evolving field. SenseTime and Nanyang Technological University have launched NEO-unify, a pioneering model that redefines multimodal AI processes by eliminating traditional encoders and decoders in its architecture. This model employs a mixture of transformer setup to directly handle visual and textual data. Understanding the architecture. Mixture of transformer architecture. This innovative design integrates visual and textual data, bypassing the need for separate components, which are common in traditional models. By doing so, NEO-unify simplifies the processing pipeline, allowing data to flow more efficiently between modules designed for different input types. Advanced attention mechanisms. NEO-unify utilizes cutting-edge attention mechanisms specifically crafted for multimodal contexts. These are integral in understanding and interpreting the relationships between varying data types, making the model particularly adept at tasks that require high cross-modality interaction. Near-lossless processing. Maintaining high fidelity with minimal data is a breakthrough in itself. NEO-unify processes inputs with near-perfect accuracy using only 10% of the data traditionally needed. This reduction in data requirement not only signifies cost savings, but also enhances performance by minimizing noise and redundancy. #track, practical benefits and applications. The model's ability to achieve state-of-the-art performance with significantly less data positions it as a transformative tool for industries reliant on AI, such as autonomous vehicles and robotics. For example, an autonomous vehicle equipped with NEO-unify could understand and process visual inputs from cameras and textual instructions simultaneously, leading to better decision-making and improved safety. Challenges and future prospects. Despite its profound potential, NEO-unify's effectiveness in real-world applications needs further evaluation. Its scalability across diverse, real-world scenarios remains an open question. Another challenge is the integration with existing systems. Transitioning from traditional architectures to a unified model might involve complex recoding and system redesign. Getting started with NEO-unify. For developers and researchers interested in this architecture, NEO-unify is open source, and available for experimentation on platforms like Hugging Face, slashingface.sco/blog/sensenova, NEO-unify. It opens avenues for implementing NEO-unify in projects that require integrated visual and textual processing capabilities. Implications for the future. NEO-unify signifies a critical shift towards more cohesive, integrated AI systems. It underscores a movement away from modular, puzzle-like designs towards seamless, unified architectures that promise greater efficiency and capability across industries. This evolution is expected to inspire further research into optimizing representation learning and improving cross-modal interactions, potentially setting a new standard in the field of AI. The latest insights from Gartner spotlight the evolving role of AI agents in market dynamics, signaling a shift towards pragmatism. Initially marked by enthusiasm, the landscape is now defined by a focus on practical applications across various industries, reflecting how organizations aim to harness AI agents for productivity and streamlined operations. Forecasts reveal that by 2026, an estimated 40% of enterprise applications will incorporate task-specific AI agents, a significant leap from less than 5% in 2025. Yet, as innovation meets reality, enterprises exhibit caution. Only 14% report complete implementation of these technologies. This conservative approach stems from enduring needs for human oversight and clear governance frameworks, underscoring a deliberate transition rather than a hasty adoption. Technical drill down. AI agents leverage advancements in machine learning and natural language processing, NLP, to enhance workflow orchestration. These technologies enable the execution of complex tasks with minimal supervision. Developing effective AI agents requires not only robust adaptability and seamless integration with existing systems, but also security and compliance with emerging regulatory standards. Adoption demands substantial support from data infrastructures. Enterprises must ensure these systems are secure and capable of handling the requisite data volumes to facilitate reliable AI operations. This involves continuous investment in IT resources and skilled personnel for ongoing management and deployment. Market growth and challenges. The AI agents market is poised for a 44% compound annual growth rate over the next 10 years, reflecting strategic importance despite existing barriers. However, ethical challenges, data integration issues, and compliance with evolving regulations continue to present obstacles. For example, organizations must navigate complexities like data privacy and ethical usage, which remain contentious. Practical steps. Enterprises are encouraged to implement AI agents initially in controlled environments. This allows them to test adaptability and efficiency without disrupting existing operations. Moreover, gathering data on customer interactions provides insights into AI performance, paving the way for optimized real-world deployments. Exploring AI-driven collaboration tools can further enhance workflow processes, showcasing the practical utility of AI agents. Future implications. The shift towards pragmatic applications is pivotal. It indicates a mature view where innovation is balanced with operational realities. As AI agents advance, they are expected to significantly shape market structures and redefine operational strategies. The capability to enhance decision-making and customer service is particularly compelling, driving increased enterprise interest. In conclusion, while the promise of AI agents is vast, the path forward demands careful navigation of both technological and regulatory landscapes. Organizations that successfully balance these dynamics can expect to realize significant productivity and efficiency gains, positioning themselves at the forefront of the industry's evolving trajectory. LangChain is pushing the boundaries of AI coding agent performance with its new CLI and skills suite. These tools have dramatically increased task success rates in the Langsmith ecosystem, marking a pivotal advancement in AI-powered coding assistance. Key components of LangChain's offering include new CLI integration, facilitates the seamless addition of multiple skills into coding agents, thereby enhancing their adaptability and responsiveness in varied coding environments. Skills framework, comprising crucial functionalities like tracing, dataset creation, and performance evaluation. These skills aim to bolster the capabilities of AI agents. For example, tracing allows developers to follow agent decision-making processes step by step, while dataset creation helps in tailoring data feeds that optimize learning and outputs. Performance evaluation utilizes specific metrics to assess and improve agent efficacy. Observability metrics. Proficient tracking provides accurate assessments of agent behavior, minimizing errors and maximizing output quality. LangChain offers tools that enable developers to observe how agents interact with code in real time, leading to faster diagnostics and improved decision-making strategies. The impact of these innovations is substantiated by numbers. Task completion rates have improved significantly, with notable instances like Claude Code's success rate leaping from 17% to an impressive 92% following the implementation of LangChain's skills. General performance improvements saw a surge from 9% to 82% across various agents. For practitioners eager to delve into LangChain's offerings, the following resources are invaluable. The skills documentation provides comprehensive guidelines on implementing and integrating these skills effectively. For hands-on experience, developers can access the open-source benchmarking repository, which is instrumental in testing and validating skill effectiveness across different coding tasks. A detailed video guide, Beginner's Guide to Agent Evaluations, is also available. This resource aids developers in understanding the framework's operation and potential benefits, demonstrating practical steps to achieve optimal agent performance. In conclusion, LangChain's framework is not just about enhancing AI performance. It's about redefining the development processes, setting a benchmark for future innovations in AI coding tools. The refined processes and significant improvements in task completion rates forecast a transformative era in software development, opening avenues for increased adoption and integration of AI in coding workflows. That's it for today's edition of Daily AI Brief. We've explored Google's efforts in API tools, innovative security platforms, and significant strides in AI coding agents. Stay tuned for more updates and insights as we continue to track the ever-evolving world of AI technology.